Yi and the Moon Bridge. Once upon a time, in a peaceful village where the fields were green and the skies clear, lived a legendary archer named Hou Yi. He was a man of great courage, revered by the villagers for his unmatched skills with the bow and arrow. Among the villagers was a curious fellow, Peng Meng, who was always amazed by Hou Yi's feats. One day, the Queen Mother of the West, touched by Hou Yi's dedication to his craft, gifted him a magical telescope. This was no ordinary telescope, for it revealed the wonders of the cosmos and the secrets of the moon where the beautiful Chang'e lived. Chang'e, the moon goddess, was a sight to behold. Her beauty was ethereal, and her heart, filled with love. But Hou Yi, peering through his magical telescope, noticed something more. He saw that despite her radiant smile, there was a tinge of sadness in Chang'e's eyes. She was lonely, with only the jade rabbit for company, who was usually busy preparing elixirs. Moved by Chang'e's solitude, Hou Yi made a decision that would change the lives of the villagers forever. He called upon them and shared his plan of building a bridge to the moon. A bridge that would not only connect the earth and the moon but also hearts. Under the leadership of Hou Yi and with the help of the eager Peng Meng, the villagers embarked on this ambitious project. They faced challenges, yes, but with Hou Yi's perseverance and Peng Meng's clever ideas, they overcame every hurdle. Day by day, the bridge rose higher, reaching out to the moon. Finally, the day came when the bridge stood tall, touching the moon. Hou Yi, Peng Meng, and the villagers, with hearts filled with anticipation, ventured onto the moon. They were greeted by the overjoyed Chang'e and the busy jade rabbit. The moon was no longer a lonely place for Chang'e, and the villagers discovered a new world. Back on their land, they celebrated this incredible achievement. The village was filled with laughter, music, and tales of the moon. Under the bright moonlight, Hou Yi, Chang'e, Jade Rabbit, Peng Meng, and the villagers danced, creating a sight that even the stars would envy. The story of Hou Yi and the Moon Bridge is a tale of practice, discovery, and the overcoming of challenges. It tells us that with perseverance and unity, even the most daunting tasks can be achieved. And most importantly, it teaches us that sometimes, a journey to the moon is all it takes to turn loneliness into joy. And so, the village under the moonlight danced on, basking in the joy they had created, their hearts connected by a bridge that was built out of love, courage, and a magical telescope.